Welcome to our channel. Today we how to disable SSO providers in Auth0 no-code setups, full guide step by step clearly. To disable SSO providers in Auth0 no-code setups, begin by logging into your Auth0 dashboard. Navigate to the Applications section in the left sidebar. Select the specific application you wish to modify. Scroll down to the Add-ons tab within the Application settings. Locate the SSO integration you want to disable. Click on the configuration option for that specific SSO provider. Toggle the setting to disable the SSO feature. Review any additional configuration settings related to the SSO provider. Make sure to save your changes before exiting the settings. Navigate back to the main dashboard. Select Connections from the left sidebar. Choose Social to view the list of all social identity providers. Identify the provider you wish to disable. Click on the provider to enter its settings. In the settings, find the toggle switch to disable the provider. Confirm any prompts that appear to finalize the change. Return to the Applications section once again. Test the application by logging in to ensure the SSO provider has been successfully disabled. Monitor user feedback to ensure their experience is not negatively impacted. Document any changes made for future reference or team communications. Review the Auth0 documentation for any updates on managing SSO providers. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.